BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 76 of season 3. Today's word is obsolete. Obsolete means no longer produced or used, outdated or old-fashioned. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word obsolete. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Obsolete is spelled as O-B-S-O-L-E-T-E. The word obsolete is used when something is no longer used and becomes outdated. For example, we can call pagers as obsolete technology for communication. Wow! Wasn't it easy to understand the meaning of obsolete? Listen carefully how we can use the word obsolete in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Prasad got a bumper crop of Alphonso mangoes in his farm. He wanted to earn much better profits. Hence, he convinced his father to stop obsolete methods of selling mangoes and adopt newer methods for marketing them. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded the Brahmo Samaj movement in India. This movement was used by him to oppose obsolete customs such as child marriage. Wow, wasn't he a visionary? Example number 3 of 8. Reliable Studio was established 75 years ago. The owner's son took charge of the studio last year. He reviewed the setup and drew up a plan to replace all the obsolete recording equipment with the latest versions. Example number 4 of 8. A language evolves and changes its form over a period of time. Some words which were prevalent or used in earlier times become obsolete over a period of time and are replaced by new words. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our Advanced English Fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The older cameras used an obsolete technology. They would click the pictures on photography film and then the films would be developed in the laboratory. Example number 6 of 8. Presently, most of us prefer to use email to send and receive documents. Have you heard something called a fax machine? Well, the email has made the fax machine completely obsolete. Don't you agree? Example number 7 of 8. The field of medicine sees continuous innovations. Naturally, newer methods replace older ones. For instance, some older surgical procedures have become obsolete due to laser surgery techniques. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. The pattern of garments for specific wear evolves over time, keeping in mind the comfort of the person wearing it. It is noticed that a 9-yard sari commonly in use about few decades ago is almost obsolete now. Its use is reserved only for special occasions. Today we learnt the word obsolete, which means no longer produced or used, outdated or old-fashioned. Can you frame 3 sentences with obsolete and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure that this lesson has helped to develop your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 76 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.